In this video, I'm going to share 7 amazing ChatGPT prompts for writers. Whether you're a beginner copywriter, a business owner, or even a student, you can use these prompts to save hours of time when it comes to researching, writing, and editing your content. Now, all of the prompts that I mentioned in this video are available inside of a free blog post, and you can find a link to that post by clicking on the link in the description below this video. So let's get started with prompt number 1, brainstorm content ideas. So one way I like to use ChatGPT is to brainstorm content ideas that will appeal to my target audience. So you can use this prompt to come up with ideas for social media, emails, blog posts, and more. Come up with number, platform, content type ideas that will appeal to my target audience of target audience. Some of their interests include insert popular topic or keywords. And here's an example. Come up with 10 YouTube video ideas that would appeal to my target audience of beginner copywriters. Some of their interests include how to find clients, email copywriting, etc. Which brings us to prompt number 2, save hours on research. As a writer, research is important, but often time-consuming. I mean, you can spend hours reading long blog posts, research papers, or watching hour-long videos. But what if you could cut down hours of reading or watching into mere minutes? And that's what this next prompt will help you to do. Read the following content and summarize it into format, focusing on key points and eliminating anything redundant. Paste the content here. Now, getting expert feedback on your writing is invaluable. And guess what? ChatGPT can serve as your copywriting expert. In fact, GPT can take on any expert role that you want, whether it's a personal trainer, a chef, or even an accountant. Let's take a look at prompt number 3, get expert feedback. You're a copywriting expert. Review this copy and provide suggestions to enhance clarity, persuasiveness, and impact target audience. Paste your copy here. ChatGPT will then analyze your copy and provide useful feedback. And if you're looking for feedback from real human copywriters, then don't forget to check out Copy Academy. It's my private community where you can share your work and get feedback from myself and other copywriters. Go to startcopywriting.com/Copy Academy for all the details. Moving on to prompt number 4, repurposing content. Now, imagine a client has hired you to write an email marketing sequence for their product. Of course, you could write the email campaign yourself, or you could hire GPT to write the first draft for you by repurposing the client's existing content. And here's a prompt I would use. Using information from this landing page about product, create a 5-part email series covering product introduction, benefits, addressing objections, and a strong call to action. And here's a quick example to show you what I mean. Craft a 5-part email series using EcoClean's landing page details. The series should introduce EcoClean as a natural cleaner, highlighting its eco-friendly advantages, tackle effectiveness queries versus chemical options, and conclude with the enticing limited-time discount call to action. Now for prompt 5, we focus on the crucial steps of proofreading and editing. It's so important that you have someone proofread your work before publishing it to ensure that it's free of grammar mistakes and typos. But instead of hiring a proofreader, you can use this ChatGPT prompt instead. Please proofread and edit this text for clarity, conciseness, and engagement, ensuring the tone suits target audience. Insert content here. Now, handling tough conversations with clients, friends, or family can be really tough. Just the other day, a friend asked me to give him feedback on his sales page. Now, it was terrible, but I didn't know what to say without hurting his feelings. And luckily, prompt number 6 can help you handle these kind of difficult conversations. Read this email and draft a reply that conveys empathy, understanding, and maintains a positive relationship. Addressing these points include points. Finally, prompt number 7 is all about content adjustment, because sometimes you need to shorten, expand, or even just simplify your content. And here's a prompt that I use to do exactly that. Rewrite the following content to be shorter, longer, simpler. Paste content below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then you'll probably enjoy my free AI copywriting course, which you can watch by clicking on the link on the screen. And if you'd like to network with me and other copywriters, then I highly recommend checking out my private community, Copy Academy. And you can find all the details by visiting startcopywriting.com/Copy Academy by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.